All right, guys, what's going on? Welcome back. It's been a long time since we've worked on that car. Long time, but that's going to change today. Got a nice day today. It's about 55 degrees. For most, that's cold, but you see what I'm wearing. I'm sweating, so perfect day to be outside working on this and trying to get stuff done since my winter upgrades got thrown in the toilet real fast. Thank you, everybody. The plan is we're going to strip all the interior out. Seats, carpet, dash, steering wheel, minimal wiring, just so it can at least run still. You guys probably already know, but if you don't, you'll know as the video gets going of why I'm doing all this. Something I've been waiting for too long. So let's get it started. I'm gonna set up the tripod and try to knock all this out as fast as possible.
Let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra. Fuck with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's see how you do under pressure. Give them a name to remember.
Can you do this again? Can you do this again for me? All right, just hold that there again. Just keep it on that. Just hold it. Just like that.
Oh, hello. Hello there. So why do you do it? Oh.
Alright.
All good?
You can let go. No, you just gotta get one last one.
You want me to hold it?
It's this one right here.
Sounds like the best one. It's perfectly centered.
Yeah.
But wobbly.
Alright, just hold it right there. Just don't touch the battery. Just hold it like that.
Yeah, because it has danger / poison. Shield eyes, explosive glasses, can cause blindness or injury. Or no, not glasses, gases. No sparks, flaming, or smoking. Yeah, that's bad. Sulfuric acid. acid can cause blindness and severe burns. That's why I'm not gonna touch it. Because I don't want to become blind.
You won't be able to see the world anymore.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
You're screwing it so hard, then it moved the whole thing.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wouldn't have been able to do it without you. Pull out the other one.
This fuzzy stuff's disgusting.
It's just from the carpet. You gotta think this car, I was a year old when this car was born. That's how old it is.
Dang.
That's why it looks so rough in here. That's 30-year-old dirt, 30-year-old fuzzy, 30-year-old rust, 30-year-old leaves. All this is old.
So you're 31?
No, I'm 34. I'm just saying, in general.
I can't take this screw it. Oh, got
There
it.
you go.
Do you want me to take these things off too? Oh,
What is that?
this.
Oh, yeah, you can hear me though. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
If there's anything else, I'll come get you to help me out.
Okay.
Need help?
Nope.
Good job.
Thank you.
Well, you should already know by now, but if you don't, I'm stripping everything out and cutting out the old 8-point roll bar to be able to finally put in a new 10-point 850 cert cage. You guys have been on me for years about running with no cage. Believe me, I know. If I could have done it way sooner, I would have, but it's finally happening now. Been a long time coming. Everyone said I should have did a 25-3. I agree, I should have. But the way my bank account's set up, it doesn't agree. And the problem is, I can't weld, nor do I even have a place to weld. I already hate relying on people, and something like that is just way too big of a job to be waiting on somebody and trying to find somebody that actually wants to help me. So for right now, it's still not going to be 100% legal, but at least I'm one step better than I was before. Plan is to get it certed, and if I ever want to do events that require it, or 850 index at some of the bigger Cecil races, I'll be good to go. Having an 8-point, it's just not ideal. You can't do anything with it. It's literally pointless. I can't believe somebody would even put that in my car. I think the fastest you can go is like a 10.0 or 9.99. You guys know I've already been well past that. I went my first 10 first time out in and out of boost cut with a 4.8 and a 78.75. So this is going to be really good. Going to feel a lot safer now with bars in front of me, not just behind me. Just little steps every year trying to make progress with this car. Hopefully rewire a few things when I get it back. Then also I got my sponsor Team Z sending me out some really nice goodies that has been needed for a while, but I just can't wait to get it done. I can't wait to get back out there on a whole nother level, because I haven't even shared all the other news with you guys, but finally giving Ratchet what it deserves. So stay tuned for the whole process and winter upgrades. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys then. What do I do now? Dang, this steel is heavy. Whew. I'm out here in the snow, so if the video quality sucks, that's why. But I started doing this already off camera. Figured I might as well show it. I got this CRC freeze off spray. Been spraying it on the sound deadening, and it's been coming up pretty good. It's a good alternative to dry ice. Easier to get, maybe cheaper. I don't know. This was about 10 bucks for a can. I got 2, definitely gonna need more. And it goes into like a freeze mode. You just hit it, the hammer, to break it free from the metal. You just scrape it, break it free. comes off pretty good. If I had two hands, I could probably get that whole piece off in one little scoop. Yeah, definitely a nice alternative to dry ice, for sure. All right, there she is, all stripped down to nothing. Only thing in there is going to be the steering wheel and the seat, so I can drive it over to where it needs to go, which I'm about to leave soon. It's wet, it's raining, but street car. So yeah, a lot of work. That wiring is super annoying, and it's most likely going to get all ripped out and redone. Just wanted to throw an update in there. Everything's out, no roll bar, no interior whatsoever. I didn't get a chance to get all the sound deadening out, which sucks because it's very hard. Yeah, we'll make it work. So I'm gonna get ready to head on over to the shop and then go from there. Going for a little ride to get the roll cage, finally.